Hello guys, highest opening day grosses in India cinema. Top 13 cinema. Prem Ratan Than Payo. First day collection 66 crore, 29. Sarkar opening day gross collection 67 crore, 28 movie. Brahmastra opening day collection 70 crore, 27 movie. Sultan opening day collection 71 crore, 26 movie. Gundur Karam opening day collection 73 crore, 25 movie. Bahubali the Beginning first day collection 73 crore, 24 movie. War first day collection 74 crore, 23 movie. Sarkaru Varipeta day 1 collection 75 crore, 22 movie. Thugs of Hindustan Day 1 collection 75 crore, 21 movie. Radhesham Day 1 collection 79 crore, 20 movie. Stree 2 Day 1 collection 80 crore, 90 movie. Ponniyin Selvan Day 1 collection 83 crore, 18 movie. Beast Day 1 collection 84 crore, 70 movie. Saira Narasimha Reddy Day 1 collection 85 crore, 16 movie. Kabali Day 1 collection 90 crore, 15 movie. Jailer Day 1 collection 91 crore, 14 movie. Tiger 3 Day 1 collection 94 crore, 13 movie. The Greatest of All Time Day 1 collection 103 crore, 12 movie. Pathan Day 1 collection 104 crore, Level movie. 2.0 Day 1 collection 105 crore, number 10. Animal Day 1 collection 150 crore, number 9. Saho Day 1 collection 125 crore, number 8. Jawan Day 1 collection 129 crore, number 7. Adipurush Day 1 collection 136 crore, number 6. Leo Day 1 collection 142 crore, number 5. KGF Chapter 2 Day 1 collection 162 crore, number 4. Salar Day 1 collection 165 crore, number 3. Kalki Day 1 collection 182 crore, number 2. Bahubali the Conclusion Day 1 collection 240 crore, number 1. RRR Day 1 collection 223 crore. Thanks for watching.